Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to missionmentors.in. It's a portal to educate millions of people on various verticals. Normally, we do educate more on engineering, business management, and the basic subjects of school and also general subjects which educates the brilliance of society. But today, I could see that in spite of all this, we should also educate our young generation about political governance and stability. The country depends on the political leaders' stability, loyalty, and ethical balance. Today, what is happening in Punjab is just like a 2020 cricket match. How can a leader, after taking the responsibility of leading either a party or people, can change mind for few small things? It's absolutely, it's a game like in TV channels, or it's not a comedy circus show. It's not a cricket ground where you may sometimes forego the national interest to your personal interest and walk out from the matches. It's the people interest and people stability and people future. And a state like Punjab is the golden state where people are so good, hardworking, well nurtured for the national interest and also committed with their culture across the globe. In such a state, how can this political instability? Is it a question of loyalty towards human and loyalty towards one people? It must be answered. I don't like to take names of political leaders, but it is a responsibility of every citizen to elect and select right people who will take care of their interest, their earnings, their employment, their education, their safety, security, and well being of the entire state. It becomes like a Ludo play. Sometimes somebody will be on the top, somebody will be on the down, somebody will go here, there. What kind of this is a political governance? Other people are making joke of the mothers, brothers, and sisters of the nation? Are they interested in the development of youth? Are they interested the progress of fertility of land, agriculture, economy, trade, business, collaborating with the foreign MNCs to establish industries, developing a technical competency, developing the economy, creating the gateways to security threats from the border? It's a very big question. How can you can just take so easily the interest of the people? It's a very high time to understand that we as a people of the nation create the leaders who take care of us. We should not depend on their ego moods whether to be leaders or not to be leaders. It is not the leaders we to be followed. People of the country should elect the leaders. The leaders should follow the people interest, people future, people education, people stability, peace, prosperity, progress, everything. The leader need to understand. It is very unfortunate The stability became a big question mark. The political will should be based on the social well being of the state and the center, or the state and the nation at large at the globe, not at the personal interest. What finally we are people like educated people, we elect the leaders. It is absolutely rubbish, and it is not at all a palatable politics. Politics means taking care of the people, taking care of the nation, taking care of the our culture, our security, prosperity, not bringing everything. Punjab is a place where it's a golden land where the fertility is there. People are so good. They are the brilliant people. You name it, every army battalion is led by the Punjabis. The great majors, the great captains, the great generals are from Punjab. Because of them, the whole nation, the border is being highly secured. Everywhere in the world, people, you find a Punjabi person who is very committed, very emotional to the nation as well to the people. If a Punjabi makes a friendship, he lives up to the expectation. The food, culture, ethnic values of Punjabis are absolutely amazing. Such a state is under the threat now because of instability of politics. How can it be tolerated? It should be nurtured. It should be given to the hands of the great people who can really make the state the proud of. I may be wrong. If I'm wrong, I beg an apology to the entire people who follow me. But politics means the true governance, stability, economy, education, prosperity, peace, and brotherhood, not collusions for small things. I wish all the great friends, brothers, sisters of Punjab to understand and make a great state which is always known around the world for its commitment, dedication, and also spiritual dimension. Thank you very much for listening to me. It is not only Punjab, every state needs stability, every state needs economy, every state needs a person to be led properly, and all the people should follow the ethical leadership. All the so-called IT experts, young executives, graduate engineers, graduate management students, or they should also participate in the political governance of the nation, not just only working for the MNCs and sitting in the air-conditioned cabins. Agriculture is a foremost important thing. Weather foremost important things. Our forest, rivers, all are important. Every educated person should participate every verticals of national development. It is not that I'm not specialized in the ecology. I'm not specialized in the weather conditions. I'm not specialized in farming. I'm not specialized in the political governance. We cannot say like that. Everybody bring a big voice and develop this nation towards human excellence and prosperity and peace. Thank you very much for listening to me. This is Dr. Srinivas from missionmentors.in signing off.